Hi, this is Michael Reardon from Reardon Yacht Consulting. Today we're going to talk about crew injuries or any kind of injury on board a boat. And the biggest thing with taking care of a crew injury are really two things. First of all, dealing with the medical emergency. And as you can see, most big yachts have all sorts of great first aid equipment to deal with, whether it's a crash kit and someone being unconscious and not having a heart rate or a pulse, or spinal cord injuries and AEDs, but there's the dealing with the incident aboard, and hopefully between the captain and the crew and the training aboard, that can be handled in a resourceful and an efficient way. And of course, if you're here in port, dealing with first responders is going to be the next step after immediate first aid. But whether it's at sea or whether it's in a marina, a crew accident has to have the follow-up of making sure that that crew member is taken care of in accordance with their contract, and probably more importantly, just what's morally correct. There isn't workman's compensation on a yacht, but there is taking care of crew members, and there are laws protecting crew, as well as, again, doing what's right. So once the first aid trauma is dealt with and the person's either in the hospital or getting scheduled for surgery or something along those lines, making sure that their medical bills are paid. Internationally, there's a part of this called maintenance and cure. Cure, of course, would be the person getting better, the medical attention. Maintenance is taking care of that person while they're unable to work. So understanding all that stuff, being in touch with your insurance company, and there's two insurances that can be involved. One, the crew's health insurance if they have it, and number two, the vessel's protection and indemnity, P&I insurance, that all make this process potentially a little complicated. So taking care of the crew member is really important. The follow-up with understanding how the insurance works and making sure they're covered not just for getting better, but while they're ashore, and all the complications that may go along with the execution of their contract. So a little bit complicated. The easy practical stuff is be trained up and know how to use this stuff. A little bit more complicated in the aftermath, know how to take care of a crew member and make sure his legal and moral rights are being taken care of as an injured crew member. That's it for today. If you have more questions, feel free to give us a call. Thank you.